Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 3. Estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. Right? Let us find. First one is you see that out of 4 parts, if we change into part, that is this is one part, second, third and fourth. That means fourth part, one part is colored. This is one part is colored and total part is 4. If we change into percent, that we have to multiply it by 100% into 100%, and that comes to 4, 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 20, 5, 4, 5 is 20. That comes to 25%. Number 2 is, you see how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. It is 3. What is the total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3 by 5. If we change into percent, it will be you have to multiply it with 100%. 100%. Right? Now 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 0. That is equal to 3 2 is 6. 0. That is 60%. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored and total part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 8. If you multiply with 100%, you will change into 100%. Into percentage, 100%. Right? That is 3 by 8 into 100%. Now if we cut this one, that is 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 0. Again we cut by 2, that is 2 2 is 4, and this is 25. Right? 25 to 3 by 2. Right? Therefore we will get 25 into 3, that is 75. 75 by 2%. If we divide 75 by 2, you are getting divide 75 by 2. 2 3 is 6. 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5. 2 7 is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Point. This is 0. 2 5 is 10. That is 37.5%. Or it can be written as 37.55%. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.